Okay, here's the main water supply line for the dishwasher. It goes into that hole there and then over into the dishwasher. We found that this juncture is leaking, so we're going to replace this dishwasher hose. First things first, we open up the door of the dishwasher, remove these gray little pieces, and then right inside there's a Phillips head screw. Same on the other side. We are going to take those screws out so we can pull the dishwasher out using this Phillips head screwdriver to take out this screw. Now we can just go ahead and grab the dishwasher, shimmy it out. Okay, we've pulled out the dishwasher so we can see that this line goes through here, goes through that hole, and you can see it coming out through the hole on the right side, going into the dishwasher. So fortunately this line isn't long enough where we can pull the dishwasher out all the way and replace both ends at the same time. So we'll go ahead and unattach the hose from that side first, pull the dishwasher out a little bit more so we can access this back side. All right, we're going to use this tool to go ahead and twist this right off. And to prepare for that, we have this water valve shut off. So we turned off the water line to the dishwasher. We've got this bowl underneath to catch any water that might drip. So we are ready to pull it off. Okay, we've got it off. So now we'll try to shimmy the dishwasher out a little bit further to get to the other end. All right, we removed the old line from the dishwasher. This end actually had a little dongle on it to make the nut the right size. So now we're gonna go ahead and put some Teflon tape around this L bracket and put the new line on. All right, we just finished putting this Teflon tape onto this L bracket here. Remember when you're putting it on to go clockwise, think righty-tighty, so the tape will get tighter as you screw on the next piece. All right, we're ready to put our brand new line on. I got a longer line. This one's 8 feet. The original one was about 5 feet. The reason I got a longer one was so I could connect it to the dishwasher and to the water line under the sink and then test it to see if there's any leaks while the dishwasher is pulled out here. The previous cord was too short. I couldn't have the dishwasher pulled out and have both ends connected. So hopefully this longer line will do the trick. That side of the hose is attached. Now we'll snake this other end through the hole and into the cabinet. We're now underneath the cabinet of the kitchen sink. We've got our silver line coming out the hole. Here's the end of it. We gotta attach it back here and then turn the water line back on and test. We've got some Teflon taped on. Not necessary, but also never hurts. So don't forget, put it on righty-tighty, clockwise. All right, let's get this hose attached. Hose is attached. Next, we will reopen this water lever and see if there's any dripping. All right, we turn this 90 degrees to open it up, and so far, not seeing any drips, not feeling any either from this end. Not seeing or feeling any from this end either, so we'll run the dishwasher to give it a test. You can put a paper towel down or one of these water sensors to run the test to see if any water's coming through. All right, we have the dishwasher running just on a quick rinse only cycle. You can hear the water coming through a bit. So far so good. No water drops on this side. No water drops in here.